Okay, let's create the walk cycle now. So as he turns, okay. Unfortunately, I might be lucky. I don't think I can do it though. I don't think I can go select these 9 frames. I think it's just going to look silly. No, I need to select that frame as well. B. Shift D X. G X. Let's just move it. Size X. Whoops. No. Let's put that there, because if I do a size and an X -1, it's going to be the center is on that green bit. So size X -1 is a flip. Is it going to work? It'd be great if it does.
I tried to give him.
It did not. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Oh.
More. I tried to give him.
Okay then. Let's go with that. I can do it. I just didn't need to reverse it. Shift D. Shift D. Shift D. The only thing that I haven't done is I didn't animate the arms. So the way the arms work is if it's front, if the left leg is forward, right arm goes forward. Okay. And middle point. And I mean, it doesn't need to have big arms. Let's go copy. What we will do is this arm kind of got to flick forward. This arm needs to flick back. This arm's got to flick forward. This arm's got to flick back. And it's actually the lower arms do everything 1 frame after. So they've kind of got this follow through. Okay, Shift D. There we go. Control B, Shift D. It should be 16, I think. 40. Yeah, okay. Shift D, 40, Shift D, 40, Shift D, 40, Shift D, 40.
More. I tried to give him money. Gold.
There we go. Okay. The body needs to be leant forward. Okay. G -1. Okay. Now, we're going to start off at the middle point, because it's going to kind of, I think, at about here should do it. So let's get rid of all the previous keyframes. And let's grab everything else. G. Ugh, dang it. Okay. Let's go on this keyframe. I'm going to deselect that main bone. Alt R, Alt G. And then it goes into a walk. Okay. So it's still here. I. And then we work it out. However far he wants to walk. Okay, let's have a look. How does that look?
And as I heard the town more, I tried to give him money. Gold.
Okay. The body is to... Oh. Silly marker. Oh, so what I'll do is 1, 2, 3. That one there. B. Let's get rid of these ones. Shift D. G. There we go. Okay, so now we should have...
As I heard.
Oh, that's annoying. I gotta tilt the body ever so slightly on all these keyframes. So the beauty of it is in the graph editor, I can go body. I can select... Let's get rid of the rotations, the locations. And let's work out which one's which. So if I go G, Y on this one, nothing happens. Because I got nothing selected. G, Y. That's pretty much the one I want, but let's try this one. G, Y. Nope, that's not the one. G, Y. That's not the one. G, Y. That's the one. G, Y. I just want him to zoom in to get a little bit more accurate. So now and he's sliding his feet. So if he's sliding, that means he's moving too fast. So if I go back here and we move it back.
Heard the town more. I tried to give him money. Gold.
Beautiful. And what we'll do is that then as he turns and he exits frame, let's now create a marker, and then we'll do a Control B, and then we see this whole frame. We do need his daughter back now. So where's his daughter? Child proxy is here. So what I'm going to do with the child is at this point here, I'm just going to press I and Alt R, Alt G. But let's frazzle her up. Right, there you are. Rotate. Rotate. Okay, and let's just do her eyes. GY. Her arms are down on the ground. This one is sitting up like so. Her feet can be, one's up, the other one's kind of straight out. Let's have a look at only rendered. I do want that head up a little bit higher. Actually, I want the whole body to be up a bit higher. And let's move the body out of the way so it doesn't look like she's being trampled on by the guy. But we'll fix the floor up a little bit later. I said let's move her up a little bit. Only render, and that's exactly what I want. Let's fix up the dude's feet, because his feet look a bit weird. So when he moves down, because we don't see his feet, I'm just going to mark these two, and then probably at this point, oops, Alt H, I press H to hide. Let's re-hide all those bones. G, and let's rotate this, and so we get this kind of nice looking. He's looking at his daughter as he, yeah, cool. Well, let's leave it at that, and then we'll do some more polishing in the next bit.